Hi, I'm George Levy. I'm so excited that you're here with me on this page. Thank you for being here, and thank you for checking out the most understandable blockchain and Bitcoin book you'll ever need. I wrote this book to help you understand blockchain technology and Bitcoin easily and once and for all. That's it, plain and simple. The book is a result of having taught courses full-time on blockchain and Bitcoin since 2017 to more than 180,000 people worldwide from more than 190 countries. And I can promise you from experience that regardless of how good you are with technology, or if you barely know how to turn on a computer, blockchain and Bitcoin don't have to be scary subjects. They're both quite simple and they're easy to understand when you follow the right approach. And that's exactly what we cover in the most understandable blockchain and Bitcoin book you'll ever need. My goal with this book is to have you learn and understand the key elements of blockchain technology and Bitcoin, how they work, why they're so important, and how you can best take advantage for your own needs. So I want you to sign up below, and the second that you sign up, you're going to get an email from me. The email contains a link to download the book, and I'll be sharing with you additional free valuable bonuses that will greatly benefit you. I'm so happy you're here. I'm even more excited that you're going to sign up. And guess what? It's time for you to understand blockchain and Bitcoin once and for all, and we'll do this with the most understandable blockchain and Bitcoin book you'll ever need. So go ahead and sign up, and I'll see you inside the book.